Let me quickly show you how to utilize the details block. The details block is a collapsible element you can add to any page or post to hide and reveal content, making it ideal for FAQs, definitions, long explanations, or supplemental information. You can insert it by clicking the plus icon top left and then searching for details, or by typing /details on a new line, and then inserting the block. The block contains two parts: the summary, which is always visible and is the part visitors click to open the section. And in this case, the summary is titled How to Set Up Your Wi-Fi Router. And below that, you have the hidden blocks area, where you can insert any other blocks, paragraphs, images, lists, headings, and more. And this area remains concealed until the visitor expands the section. If you have trouble selecting or rearranging nested blocks or blocks with inside others, the list view is the easiest way to manage them. To open the list view, click the three horizontal lines top left, and then click the little arrow to see all the blocks inside the details block. The list view helps by giving you a clear, structured overview of all the blocks on your page. Let's look at two other examples. In the first one, I've added a details block to hide the transcript of a video. And in the second, I've used the details block for my FAQ section. When you select the details block, you can modify it by making your way to Settings, top right, opening the Styles tab, and then styling it accordingly. You can change the color of the text as well as the background. When you update the background color, I would also suggest making your way to Dimensions and adding some padding or some space around the content of the block. And as you can see, this creates more breathing space for the content. In this example, I changed the background color of all 4 instances of the details block. When we return to Styles and click the 3 vertical dots next to Typography, we have a variety of options. And below that, you can also change the font size. Keep in mind that when you change the text size at the parent or the details block level, it updates both the summary and all hidden content. However, if you select an individual block inside the hidden content area and adjust its text size there, that setting will override the parent block, allowing you to style that section independently. I think you will agree the details block is a simple but powerful way to organize information without overwhelming a page.